Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I want to talk a little bit about oyster sauce because quite a lot of you have been asking in what occasion the Asian will use oyster sauce. Let me give you a little bit of background. Oyster sauce is invented by a guy called Lê Cẩm Gay about 100 years ago. He invented sauce accidentally and then it becomes the sauce we use nowadays. There's a lot of oyster sauce in the market, so which one you should choose? For this one, it's very simple because you can just choose the original brand of Lê Cẩm Gay, and I'm sure you can easily find it in a supermarket or Asian grocery. Of course, you find some other brand which is really good, let me know and I will try it. Otherwise, I will just stick to the brand. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. In the supermarket, you usually can find these two of choice of Lê Cẩm Gay oyster sauce. So the smaller bottle is premium oyster sauce, and you can see there's a lady and a young boy rolling a boat with the oyster. And the other one you can find is panda oyster sauce. So what's the difference between these two? Actually, it's just the quality. The price are pretty much the same. Premium one is higher quality, and the panda one is bigger size, but the quality is lower, but still very good. It depends on your budget, but I would recommend you to buy this one because unless you cook very often, then you can consider buy the panda one. Otherwise, if you buy this size, for me who cook a lot, it can last for 1 month for my family. How do you know this one is high quality? You just have a look of the ingredients of the bag. The one of the premium oyster sauce, they have 40% of oyster extract. Compare with the panda one, they have 11% of oyster extract. So you can tell this one is higher quality. Once you bought it, when you taste it, you can taste the quality. It is much finer than the other one. But as I said, both of them are very good. You can just buy them interchangeably and based on your budget. In what occasion we use oyster sauce? Mostly we use oyster sauce when we do stir fry. That's why you see a lot of my stir fry recipes. I use oyster sauce as the ingredient as well. And the other thing you can use as oyster sauce is you can use it as a dipping sauce. But if you use it just plainly as a dipping sauce, it would be a little bit salty. So what I recommend you is add a little bit of sugar and sesame oil. Just add it and then mix it, taste to your flavor. And then you can just boil some vegetables, drain out the water, and then have it with the dipping sauce. It will be very, very nice. Yeah, that's how we use the oyster sauce from my experience. I hope I've given you more information on how to use oyster sauce. If you haven't subscribed my channel, subscribe my channel and like my video. I will see you next time.